Hi and welcome. In this video, we'll learn how to clone a voice from a short audio sample and explore the main features of voice cloning. We'll also see how to generate a cloned voice with its original accent, apply a different accent, or create an accent-free version. First, prepare your voice sample. For the best results, use a clear recording that is 10 to 15 seconds long with minimal background noise. You can upload up to 4 samples, but one good quality sample is usually enough. Next, go to the Text-to-Speech tab and click Clone a Reference Voice. When the cloning window opens, select the speaker's characteristics, male or female, and the native language. The native language should match the language spoken in the reference audio. This setting also affects the accent of the cloned voice. For example, choosing Chinese as the native language can introduce subtle Chinese accent characteristics. In the next step, I'll show you how this works in practice. Now, upload your voice sample.
Welcome to this voice cloning demonstration. I'm speaking in a clear and natural way to provide a high-quality voice sample. The recording is clean, steady, and free from background noise, which helps create a more accurate clone of my voice and speaking style.
You can also slightly influence the voice style by adding optional instructions. For example, you can ask for a specific accent, a particular tone of voice, or a certain speaking style. This step is completely optional, but it can help fine-tune the generated voice to better match your needs. Click Preview Voice.
Thinking about it now, I remember an interesting little story that I'd like to share with you.
If you're not happy with the result, click Try Another Preview to regenerate the cloned voice. Each preview may sound slightly different, so it's worth generating a few versions until you find the one that best matches the original speaker.
Thinking about it now, I remember an interesting little story that I'd like to share with you.
Once you're happy with the cloned voice, click Save. You can then start generating speech right away, or you can fine-tune the voice styles first. Style tuning allows you to create and refine emotions such as happiness, sadness, excitement, or other expressive tones. This is especially useful if you plan to use strong emotion levels, such as 4 or 5 out of 5. At this stage, you can regenerate the emotional style multiple times until you're satisfied with the result. Once saved, these emotional characteristics are preserved more consistently, helping the voice maintain the desired expression in future generations.
I can't stop smiling. It feels like the whole day has lit up at once. Even the air feels lighter, and I swear I could laugh for no reason. And in that one impossible moment, the old world ended. What remained after it was something colder and far more dangerous. Breathe in slowly, hold it for a moment, and let it go.
Once you're done generating and refining the emotional styles, click Close. Your cloned voice is now ready to use, and you can start generating speech with it. Paste your text into the text generation window, then create a new speaker and select your cloned voice from the voice library. Next, assign that speaker to the speech bubble you want to generate. If desired, choose an emotional style to control the tone of the voice. Finally, give your project a name and start the generation. Your speech will be generated using the cloned voice and selected settings.
Thank you for joining us today. This sample demonstrates how a cloned voice can preserve a speaker's identity while adapting to different accents and speaking styles.
Now let's try something different. We'll clone the same voice sample again, but this time we'll set the native language to Russian. Everything else stays the same.
Thinking about it now, I remember an interesting little story that I'd like to share with you.
Now let's generate some speech using this version of the cloned voice. Since we set the native language to Russian during cloning, you should be able to hear subtle Russian accent characteristics in the generated speech. Let's listen to the result.
Hello, my friend. People say I have Russian accent. Maybe they are right, maybe they are wrong. But one thing is certain. If voice cloning can make me sound British, American, or Australian, then truly we are living in the future. Next thing you know, my refrigerator will start giving life advice.
And that's it. You now know how to clone a voice, fine-tune its style, and even influence its accent.